Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 20 of 3 words and expressions of a handwriting. Quick review first. 旅游 travel. 风景 view, scenery. 拍照 take picture. 英语 English. 翻译 translate. 写字 write. 没有 no. 衣服 clothes. 老师 teacher. 商店 shop. 作业 work. Task. 表演 performance. 上课 go to class. 音乐 music. 电影 film. Today we are going to learn 搜索排队回应搜索means search. How to search on Google? 如何在谷歌上搜索提手旁锁搜索 search. 排队排队 means clean up or line up. Please clean up to register. 请排队挂号排队提手旁耳字旁人排队 line up. 排队 Next one 回应means response. 回应How should I respond? 我该如何回应？回 应。回应 response。搜索 search。排队 line up。回应 response。 Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.